Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now in Nigeria they say joke na joke and Jokey na girl, and the reason why they say joke na joke and Jokey na girl is just so you can distinguish between the two. One is a joke and the other one is a person. So the reason why I've made this statement, I'll play you this clip and then I'll come back and explain why I have made that statement. So there you saw in that clip a youth corper having what he thought is a joke, what passes for himself as a joke, by pretending to propose to his girlfriend, going on one knee and then standing up and eating biscuit or whatever and then making a laugh about it. I think the girl laughed along as well, but I personally did not think that was a joke particularly, because I thought really that was a bit of a cruel thing to do, because there's nothing that is present in a girl's mind more, especially a girl in her early to mid 20s. There's nothing more present in their mind than settling down, especially after they've completed their education. And of course, if you're doing your youth service, then that means you have completed at least a key phase of your education. So then the next phase of life obviously is to get a job and settle down. So if the guy goes on one knee and then the expectation is then that he's doing what the girl had always dreamt about, and then he gets up and makes a laugh about it, I did not find that in particularly good taste. I'm not quite sure how you find it, so come have a conversation about it with me in the comment section. But before you come have a conversation with me about it in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then come have conversations around proposals with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.